If you want to organize your Android and Rearrange applications, well, first of all, let's decide on the application. Remember, you can only move applications that are directly on the home screen, because applications in the app drawer cannot be moved unless you're using a custom launcher. Alright, now let's find any kind of application. For example, I'm gonna be moving my OneDrive. Now simply hold it until you'll feel a slight vibration, and as you see, now we can drag it freely throughout our screen. To move it to other screens, simply drag it to the edge of the screen and it's gonna be moved automatically, just like this. Now find a place where you want to set it, for example here, and simply release your finger. And that's it. Now if you want to add up an application to the home screen from your app drawer, find this application, for example YouTube. Let's move it out from here, hold it, and drag it into the direction of your home screen. So we can put it back to our drawer and let's put it out again, just like this. Now release your finger and now your YouTube is placed on your home screen. Easy as that. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day and please consider subscribing to our channel.